Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find a token contract address over on Etherscan. So basically, if you want to buy a token over on the Ethereum chain and you want to basically find the contract address of that token on Etherscan, then here's how you can do that. So head over to Etherscan just like this, just type in Etherscan and make sure you have the first one, it's etherscan.io. Once you're right here, you will most likely be at this page, which is the home page. You have some information right here. But basically, in order to find the contract address, we first going to type in the name of the token we want to actually find the contract address for. So let's say we want to find the contract address for Pepe. I simply type that in. Once I've done that, I will right here find Pepe, where I can click on. And once I've done that, I will get to this screen. This is basically the home page for this Pepe token. And now let's say that I want to actually find the contract address. Then what I simply need to do is head over to other info right here, and it will say token contract, as you guys can see right here. Alright, so once you find that contract address, what you can simply do is copy that contract address, and then right here, this is your contract address, that random string with letters and numbers, and it basically represents the Pepe token. And yeah, that's basically how it works for any other token as well. What you can then simply do is go to a website, for example, called DEX Screener, and when you then go to search and type in that contract address by pasting it, it will automatically lead you to that exact token again. So yeah, basically with this token address you will literally be able to do whatever you want, and yeah, that's basically all you need to do. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.